In today's video, I'm going to teach you geolocation map not showing and geolocation maps cannot be displayed in AutoCAD. If your online map isn't appearing, we will walk through the essential checks that usually resolve it quickly, and I'll explain what each one does, so you know why it matters. First, make sure you are signed in to your Autodesk account inside the application. The geolocation feature relies on your authenticated session to access online mapping services. Look for the Sign In option in the AutoCAD interface. If it shows you are signed out, sign in and keep that session active while you work. If your organization uses managed accounts, ensure you connect with the proper license so the online features are enabled. Next, confirm you have an active internet connection. The map imagery is streamed from Bing Maps, so if you are offline, behind a strict firewall, or on a network blocking map services, the tiles won't load. If you are on a corporate network, you may need to have the appropriate endpoints allowed. A quick way to validate is to check any web page in your browser and then return to AutoCAD to refresh the map view. Now check your drawing's coordinate system. The map service needs a projected coordinate system, not just a latitude or longitude geographic system. Assign a proper projected system that matches your project location, such as a UTM or regional grid, using the Assign Coordinate System tools in your workspace. When the coordinate system aligns with the map's projection, AutoCAD knows exactly where to place the streaming tiles. If your model is very far from expected coordinates, consider zooming to the geographic region after assigning the system so the map has a meaningful target area. If you previously clicked No when AutoCAD asked whether to use map data, you'll need to re-enable it. Look for the Online Map Data control on the Geolocation or Online tab and turn it back on so the application has permission to display live imagery again. This setting sticks between sessions, so re-enabling it is a common quick fix. Finally, check the GeoMap setting. Type GeoMap at the command line and choose Aerial or Road instead of Off. Aerial gives you satellite imagery. Road shows a clean cartographic base map. If it's off, nothing will display, even if everything else is configured correctly. Run through these items in order in most cases. The map appears immediately after these checks. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.